Hello there, good morning. Thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. I'm 7 First Alert Meteorologist Denise Isaac. We continue to see snow moving across sections of Metro Detroit right now over Washtenaw. The winter weather advisory will expire early this morning. Flurries still possible later on this afternoon, but the big story for this Tuesday is how cold it's going to be. It'll be blustery, bitterly cold with single-digit wind chill values and even wind chills or feel like temperatures below zero. So make sure you're bundled up. You have at least 3 to 4 layers. Kids need to be bundled up as well. We're looking at hats, scarves, gloves, good pair of boots, and also at least 2 pair of pants and just, that heavy coat, because it will certainly be a cold one today. Highs will range anywhere between 18 in Lapeer to 23 in Monroe, but once again, it will never feel like the 20s. As we take a look here at our future wind chill values, bus stop forecast feeling like the single digits throughout the day, even temperatures below zero, and that will continue into the night hours. So tonight, dropping to 24 degrees. We're expecting or at least dropping to 11 degrees. Flurries possible, it'll still be windy. 24 is our high today. By tomorrow, 23, with a 50% chance for snow redeveloping in the afternoon. 2 to 5 inches isn't out of the question. On Thursday, we dry out, but it stays cold, 24. And then looking at a weekend where we could get some rain, snow mix with temperatures in the mid to lower 30s.